Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It's Angela from Angela's Easy Cooking. Today I'm going to be cooking vegetable rice with some prawns. So now let me introduce you to my ingredients, what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using rice. This is already boiled rice. Just boiled it. Now I'm going to be using a lot of vegetable, not too much, but yeah. Sliced carrot, and that is bell pepper, yellow and red bell pepper, and green peel, some sliced courgette, white onion already sliced, green beans, prawn. I'm going to be using prawn, red onions, garlic, ginger and hot pepper already sliced, stock cube, curry powder and salt to taste, vegetable oil. I'm going to be adding a little bit of celery and some spring onions. So now let's get started. I'm going to be using fish spice for my prawn and some eggs. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my pan. Fry the egg. My egg is ready. I just bring it out. Yeah, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that when I upload new videos, you will be the first one to see it. Please don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I just fry the onion, the white and the red onion, the carrots, and the green peel going in the pot, the sliced courgette. Then I added a little bit of celery to it, and my bell pepper. See, that's what I mean by vegetable. That's the garlic powder, the cube, and salt to taste. And that's my prawn. I'm using a very high heat because I want it quick. I don't want my vegetables to be too soft. I want them crunchy, and the prawn as well crunchy. See, I just added my rice. My food is ready. Now I added some spring onion. See how colorful it looks? It looks yummy. I can't wait for my dinner. Wow. Let's just dish a little bit and eat. Looks yummy. Thank you for joining me. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate. Please like my page on Facebook as well. God bless you all.